Did you set the credit bureaus up with my free secret letter, but your accounts came back verified and you feeling a little stuck? Don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna explain the whole process so you can feel unstuck and you have the confidence to knock the credit bureaus out. So I'm gonna show you everything you need to do step by step by step. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. First things first, I want you to understand that you did nothing wrong. You did what you need to do. You sent this letter off, and what you did was you told the credit bureaus to check everything, make sure everything is correct, make sure everything is 100% correct, make sure they do a proper investigation, and they're supposed to do that. Now, what's gonna happen is 9 times out of 10, the account's gonna come back verified, but guess what? We wanted that to happen. We wanted the credit bureaus to lie on an official document saying everything is correct. Everything is properly. We checked everything. We verified. We did everything that we're supposed to do to make sure everything is complete and accurate. And we already know that it's not complete and accurate. So what we have is an official document saying a lie. Now we got them right where we want to. Now we basically set them up. Now it's time to follow through and knock them out every single round that we got. And basically I'm gonna show you how to do that step by step by step. So let's get into it. But hold up, I want you to process something really quick. If the credit bureaus did what they supposed to do, right? We sent our letter off, we waited our 30 days, and the credit bureau is supposed to check everything. They're supposed to check every last thing. And if they're supposed to follow this exact procedure that's in the credit Bible, right? 15 USC 1681I, if they're supposed to follow that exact procedure, step by step by step, line item by line item, how is it everything is verified? How is it? Because if this is incorrect, right? The date open, last reported, this, that, this, and that. Everything is not 100% accurate. So how did they verify? What steps? What procedure? What did they follow? And we already know that they didn't follow the exact procedure. We already know they just basically used a system, a software to basically verify everything is 100% accurate, but they didn't really do anything they're supposed to do. So what we need to do is hold them accountable, right? And show them how they violated the law, right? 15 USC 1681I, go to number 5, and basically pinpoint that law and show them that they violate. What we want to do is compare credit reports, right? We want to show them, yo, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. But what you need to do is go ahead and delete it off my credit report because you already said everything is 100% accurate. But we already see that it's not everything is 100% accurate because according to that law, everything was supposed to be verified, everything is supposed to be checked, everything is supposed to be updated, everything is supposed to be shown correct on all 3 credit reports. So what you need to do is go ahead and delete this account immediately, right? So that's what we need to do. We need to hold the credit bureaus accountable and show them how they violated our rights. All we have to do is just pinpoint the law that they violate. Yes, it's going to take time. Yes, of course, one collection might come off Experian, or one collection might come off of Equifax, or one collection might come off of TransUnion. Not all 3 might come off at the same time, but what we need to do is hold them to the fire and show them that, hey, they violated this right. They violated my rights, and month after month after month, you continue to stack up law after law after law, violation after violation, this and that, right? And you're gonna have enough violations to where you can take it to an attorney and to then pinpoint that, hey, $1,000 per violation. But most importantly, we don't really want the money. We probably want the money, but most importantly, we want these accounts off our credit report because it's holding us back. It's really holding us back from getting that house. It's holding us back from getting that car. It's holding us back from getting that funding for our business. So what we need to do is apply pressure every single month. And if you don't want to apply pressure, then, hey, I can't help you, but if you want to continue applying pressure and you want to knock the credit bureaus out, what we got to do is, you already set them up, but now we got to apply pressure. We got to show them how they violate, and we just got to use law after law after law. Go in, call, basically show them, go to the CFPB, go to the BBB, go to the Attorney General. I can't say this enough. All we got to do is apply pressure. And once we apply pressure as the people, hey, it's game over. So that's all we need to do. So let's apply this pressure. It's this year. Let's take over, do what we need to do to go ahead and get these things removed from our credit report. But you got to be motivated. You got to continue putting in the work. But I'm here to support you, to encourage you, to give you the help, to give you the assistance. And if you're not in my, if you don't got the letter, get my letter, my free secret letter, go grab it. The link is in the description. If you haven't set the credit bureaus up, but that's the first thing you want to do is set them up so where they can then send us a document lying on that document, saying everything is 100% accurate. And then what we need to do is use that as leverage to get things removed. And that's really much it. And we do that month after month after month. In the meantime, we need to be building our credit profile and building a relationship with these banks. So when it's time to get that money, we're going to get that money. So what I need for you to do is set the credit bureaus up first so we can then knock them out. So go grab my free secret letter.